Hi everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. A massive and fast-growing storm is sweeping across large parts of the United States, and it is bringing a blizzard conditions, powerful winds, and widespread disruptions. The Midwest and Great Lakes regions have been hit by hardest so far. Heavy snow and fierce winds are making travel extremely dangerous and difficult, and nearly 200 million people are feeling the impact of this severe weather system. More than 11 million people are currently under the official blizzard warnings, and weather experts say the storm is rapidly intensifying. It could develop into what is called a bomb cyclone, a system marked by a sharp drop in the air pressure within the short time. This dangerous system is expected to bring three major threats. Those include blizzard conditions, damaging winds, and 7 thunderstorms. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain have already created hazardous road conditions, and several states, including Minnesota, Michigan, and Wisconsin, have issued warnings due to the poor visibility and snow-covered roads. Air travel has taken a major hit due to the storm, and airports in Chicago and Minneapolis are among the worst affected with ongoing snow and rain. At Chicago O'Hare International Airport, over 1,600 flights were cancelled and more than 750 delayed by Sunday evening. Across the country, total flight cancellations have already crossed 3,000 and delays are expected to increase. Power outages are also a growing concern. More than 210,000 homes and businesses across 6 Great Lakes states are without electricity. The storm is moving across eastward and continues to gain strength, and areas in the mid-Atlantic region, including Washington, D.C., are likely to face strong winds and a risk of tornadoes. Forecasters warn that a line of severe storms could sweep across the eastern United States by late Monday, and these storms are expected to move through the Mississippi, Tennessee, and Ohio valleys. Meanwhile, the effects of the extreme weather are also being felt in Hawaii. Heavy rainfall has caused flooding in several areas, damaging homes and farmland and forcing road closures. Nearly 40,000 people in Hawaii are also facing power outages. Emergency shelters have been opened to support those affected, and authorities are urging people to stay alert and take precautions. The storm is still developing and conditions may worsen in coming hours. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.